and stone, sons of the forge where flames are sown, green-clad warriors, scales of might, in endless war they bring the fight. Ashes fall, the skies ignite, salamanders rise, eternal light. Sons of Vulkan, forged in flame, burning bright, none can tame. Hammer strike, the anvil scream, salamanders death's fiery gleam. Internal fire from molten stone, sons of the forge where flames are sown, green-clad warriors, scales of might, in endless war they bring the fight. Ashes fall, the skies ignite, salamanders rise in eternal light. Sons of Vulkan, forged in flame, burning bright, none can tame. Hammer strike, the anvil scream, salamanders death's fiery gleam. Infernal worlds where life is pain, burning bright, none can tame. Hammer strike, the anvil scream, salamanders death's fiery gleam. Infernal worlds where life is pain, tempered steel through fire's rain, protect the weak, crush the foe, with Vulkan's wrath they overthrow. Lava flows their sacred veins, through burning seas they bear no chains. Brotherhood, their oath, their creed, to save mankind, their endless deed. Sons of Vulkan,